this video. Once again, this is Jerry showing you how to use the website basically. As you can see, you got your website. This button goes back to Google Map. Feedback to so customer could do reviews, feedbacks. As you can see, your logo animates. You got your information here. You got a menu. You got contact us. All the information. You got the slideshow. Everything basically. As you can see, you said that you want all the practice area to have a dedicated page with more information. So every time you look into it, you will see more information on it. If you want more than that, I could add more information than that. We make it happen. Got blogs, facts, all that stuff. I did fix the contact page. Remember when we were doing the thing, we would have got stuck on the second stuff. I already fixed that too. I fixed that too. If you go all the way to the bottom, you will see here where it says admin access page. And then you click on it and you type the password that I already provide to you. And then you click access. Once you're inside, you will see it says welcome back admin panel. The logo and information. I set you a Boston location thing. It will like notify you anywhere you are. Um, Basically, the time, as you can see, you got the time in there. You got this. You got this. I put all the notification fixed it with the date and time. As you can see, you can log out. Dashboard overview. You got the date, today's date for February 5, and information of the dashboard. You will see most of the requests down here. Activity task. When you create them, they will show up here. You got 201 blogs that I just upload there with information about everything about laws and stuff like that. CRM contacts. Here you could build a task and it will show on the dashboard. You could see the quotes as well. As you can see, quotes area, you could see the quotes. You could view details. Um, Contact. You could add customer contact in there, so you could have like you could have an organized contact form. Notes. You could add a note. You could put different notes like to remember anything on the notes. Content management. You could change everything about the blog page. You could change edit, or you could delete it. You could change the news. You could change the fact page. Everything as you can see from there. If you go to home page, where it says edit home page, everything of the home page. Let me go to it real quick. Everything of the home page, as you can see here, everything, every single part of the home page will be changed here. As you can see, homepage slideshow, everything from the slideshow will show up here. As you can see, real we got real solution for real attorney. Let's say this, we're gonna change the title. We're gonna copy this real quick. I'm gonna copy it. I'm gonna put Lola loves you. I mean, I just want to show you that. I'll bring it back. You don't have to save or nothing. It will save automatically. Just gonna refresh. As you can see, Lola loves you, and you could change everything from the slideshow, including the buttons, including basically everything you could change from there. So I'll go back. I'm just gonna put the information back and publish. You could also put a bunch of different slideshow in there and just like public on publish. You could upload the images from there, or you could just upload images from here. Great. As you can see, everything looks fine. including the hero section. Hero section is basically this, who we actually are. The images, you could just upload it there and change it. As you can see, you could change the information, everything, you know what I mean? And you could just change it there. Who we actually are, information, all that stuff, you can see it there. Section, you can see this as per, hold on. Okay, this is not, I did that one, but you could change this information in practice area. So you don't have to even touch that no more. I could even just remove it. Also testimonial, you could change the testimonial on basically no, 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 no. Testimonial goes straight from Google to your thing, so you're not able to change it. Flag, you could change it from the content management. Um, visit us page. This is the information, including your time, and then you could leave this like that because that's already structured from Google Map. Um, this is the footer. You could change the footer menu. You could just drag and drop and put it on Android if you want it to be Android, stuff like that. You know what I mean? And then header. This is the header. You could change the header. You could add more to the header. Basically, you could put Lola and then whatever link you want, and it will come up on the menu on top. And that's how it is. And then about us. In the about section, you could it's basically the same thing. You could just change the information. But on the our story, it says content HTML. Anything that you're gonna change, make sure you change it inside of those two code. If you erase those two code, it will not come up in the front. Everything has to be between the code. See, and that's it. To see the information here is your about us page information. As you can see, where you got the photo, bio, photo, bio, photo, bio, and then photo and a bio. And I had hurt, I had legal assistance, I did some deep AI thing, some ChatGPT information regarding her, client basically similar to hers, and I put it there. You could still add more information to it. Like I said, you could go here and you could just edit, delete, or add new member, and they will come up on the bottom of her. And the advisor thing, you could also add more advisor board information, edit and delete. And then here's the footer of that section, this information. As you can see, edit practice area. In practice area, you got the title, stuff, the areas. You could change each area through there. This is the footer of that page for the practice area. This is you could also change a few stuff here. Instead of there, you could just change it here as well. This is all the information of it, of each practice area. And you could just change it from there and then save it from the bottom. And that's it. And then you're good to go. Save it there. And then forms, instead of checking form on the CRM, if it makes it too difficult, you got a dedicated page under form submission. So you can see here, you could just read the description and everything. It will go straight to your email as well. And you can also delete it and you could keep it, like that. And you could have like a little analytics. You got CEO is basically for the back end. You don't have to really use none of this stuff, because it's already set. in the background. This is to add Google Map um, promotion, like to link with Google. But I already did this in my back end, so you don't have to like worry about none of this stuff. This setting's supposed to be there because it's mandatory. You could change your logo, you could change the title, but that title is for the back end. You will never see it like in the landing page nowhere. Um, you know, this information is already set on the other pages, so this is like not necessary, but it's necessary because it's part of the code, and you could save it, and that's it. Basically, that's how the whole tutorial is. And then everything that you want to change, you could change it from the landing page and the admin panel, and you could receive basically everything. Task, you could do notes, you know, anything else you want, you could let me know, and I will handle it. No problem at all.